Hello there, YouTube. I'll be playing Late Night Mock. It was created by I guess you could say, YouTuber. He made this game. I found it
Hey, sorry for calling you so late, but would you mind going by the house and do a quick cleanup? I made a bit of a mess and I need the house cleaned as I have some guests coming over in the morning. Okay, thank you.
okay. Sure, dude. Oh, my. Huh? Oh, the sensitivity is so weird. Hold up. Can I change that? No, I can't. Dang. Click to pick up mock. Click to clean up. Where's the box? Pick up trash. Go into trash bin. What? This here. So the bathroom, my living room, kitchen, hallway, office, master bedroom, and master bed. Oh, whoops! I actually pressed main menu, didn't I? I didn't know that. I didn't know. That's an option. All right. So remember, do not press main menu because that's actually a thing. Oh wait, I can lower the sensitivity now. Let's see. What's this room? Bathroom. Oh, that is dirty. Turn that in. Turn that in. That. Oh, there's still rubbish in here. And that should be it, right? Yep, bathroom's done. Okay, so now this area. Oh, requires office key. Oh, this place is dirty. Someone has to go on the floor or something. Okay, so that's trash. What did I throw this at? There's so much water here. Why is this area actually so messy? This better actually get scary real quick. Yep, okay. Take this. This is actually not so bad. Okay, so that's the phone. Put this in. What's about this trash? Office. Oh wow, my fan is heating up real fast. Never seen that before. We're not basic. This whole game is gonna become cleaning up the house type of stuff. What? Is this it for this area? Oh, that was the kitchen. Okay, these areas are not connected. Take this. What do I? Yeah, throw the trash can. Is there no trash can instead of the living room? That's kind of bad. But I can't do both at the same time. Okay. Alright, let's clean this. Clean this. Oh, that's one done. Now this for me. Time for me to make the hallway. Wait, this is the hallway. Hold on, this is the hallway. Wait. I could do the office and master bedroom, but where's that at? Wait, hold on. I can't see anything without a torchlight. Hold on. Maybe there's an area I missed. Is it this one? No, that door's blocked. I could just leave, right? No, I can't. Okay, so now what? I just going to. Where is this hallway at? Wait, maybe this is the bedroom. Wow, this area is super messy. Yeah, let's throw this away. Let's throw this away. Alright, this is probably gonna have to skip it. Wait, no, I'm gonna do that whenever I'm doing the editing. So take this. Okay, look. that one last thing. Okay. Let's clean this up and I'm done. Alright. So, hold on. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, this is the hallway. Okay. Oh, there's a key over here. Key to office. Bedroom. That just gave me like a tiny it's up. I just got a tiny weird goosebump type of thing. How did that actually scare me? So crash. Where did I this at? Oh. Yeah, for a house like this, why do you not have so many lights? One thing is that why don't you ever clean up for yourself, huh? Why do you always need a maid for you to help you out? What? What are you? Some type of weak? What? This over here. You think I am your maid? I'm your friend, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I just had a goosebump set all over my body. Oh wait, is that done? Yeah, office is done. Dang, jump scares. Okay. Where's the trash can at? Oh, right here. Um. This just went through my eyeballs. Oh, that's actually kind of scary. It's actually very scary. I don't know why. Hold on. Let me check into this again. It said what? Entrance, master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. We have to check the master bathroom. Uh, yo. Oh, don't you dare tell me my game is freeze. My controls are not working. Wait. Okay, gotta fix it. Pick that up. This away. Pick that up. This away. Where's this right now? Oh, wait, is that all? There's still something I missed. What is it? Oh, that's what's my apples. That's all. Sorry, I'm actually very scared right now. Go home. Okay, well that's good. Wait, the window was open, right? Look down. Look down. Oh, we look down. Look down, just look down, just look down. Just look down, just look down. Huh? Where am I at? Just look down. Where did I get in? What? No, I'm not investigating the noise. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm too scared right now. Wait. I said a game. A job well done.
Hey, thank you so much for cleaning the house. I really appreciate it. Although you did break a very special and very expensive antique and left all the pieces for me to clean, so I'll be deducting that from your payment. So yeah,
What?
thanks for that.
Wait, I just broke something? Okay, let's see here. Game created by Lixian, monster created by Fabio Fisher. Engine used Unreal Engine 4. Marketplace assets used 200 plus energy cost, medium, bulk, recalcs. Okay, these are the items I used. Oh, Lixian TV YouTube members. Oh, there's no value. Wow, there's a lot more. Oh, I can become a member. Well, you know what? Just get to a menu. So this obviously didn't give it. Yeah, it is. Wait, one thing. Is there anything that extras? Job well done. Very dead. No. Sheets. Fast mopping. Trash cans. Yeah, lower. Options. What's in here? Wait. I could. Nah, you don't know. That's high. High's okay. Oh, if you guys want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, okay? Please. Please.